Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion, the powerful productivity tool, to plan charity runs. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for our charity run planning. Here, you can organize your thoughts, tasks, and goals in one place. Now that we've done that, let's start adding content. Click on the plus button to add a new block. Choose the table block to create a table for tracking your run's progress. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of important details like participants, sponsors, and schedules all in one place. Next up, we use the board block to manage tasks. Click on the plus button, select board, and start adding tasks. Title your tasks according to your planning phases like sponsorship, promotions, logistics, etc. This is critical as it gives us a clear visual overview of the work that needs to be done. Don't forget to use the calendar block to schedule your tasks. Just click on the plus button, select calendar, and add your dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is syncing your tasks with the calendar so you always know what's next. The final step is to share your page with your team. Click on Share in the top right corner and invite your team members. This is key because it promotes collaboration and keeps everyone on the same page. That's it, folks. With Notion, you have a robust tool to plan your charity runs effectively. Remember, the secret to a successful event lies in meticulous planning and clear communication. So start using Notion today and take your charity runs to the next level.